almost 12. Can you read that, Dawson? Okay,
Yes,
that
I
first.
can read it.
Okay, what does it look like? It's at 11 and a half?
It looks like it's at 11.
Okay, well,
Now it's at 12.
depends on, you gotta look at it right on. Yeah, okay.
Now it's at
Okay,
10
now,
and a half.
now turn that valve.
You ready?
Yeah.
Turn it that way?
Um,
You turn it like that?
yeah, you turn it this way. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep, go. Did all four go down?
Yes.
Oh, the pressure's going way up. Look at it. It went up to 20, 25, I'd say.
Nothing's exploding. This thing to fly. Nothing's exploding.
That's because we haven't pressurized, we haven't let it go. Okay, you ready? Now turn this valve over here.
Two valves. Turn this?
Yep, turn it.
Whoa! Holy poopy diaper. Oh, cool!
We've got to hit the timer. Shoot.
Oh, crap. You can't.
Well, I bought an extra bottle of this pop to.
That's a good thing.
Okay, we're down to 0.
That's a really good
Wow, there's an